Hello and welcome to a new day and new vlog here with us in Vienna, Austria. As you can see, we are in the train and about to leave Vienna, or have already departed from Vienna. Let us take you to the beginning of the video where we started our journey, which is in the Vienna HBF station. Our trip is coming to an end, so we are heading towards the city, which would be Rome, where we would be catching our flight and heading back home before we head out to our next destination.
It's just the Europe area that we are leaving, but we will be covering a lot of continents after this. And let's start from the beginning.
Let's go. We've reached the Vienna HBF station. Let's head inside to our train because I think we're late.
And we are back at the shopping mall.
I think this is a very casual.
I'm so surprised actually for an so-called underrated city in Europe. This train station has proved like me wrong. I mean, this train station is completely opposite of that, right? Don't you think so?
Yeah, I mean, never in my life have I ever seen a train station with all the shops inside it, like even in Australia.
And it's so well organized, so clean.
Yeah, it is. Luckily, this is not our train. We thought we were...
My god, so many people, I was already scared.
Yeah, we were so freaking scared like we're gonna miss it, because you need to have a reservation 1 day in advance, and since it's Easter here, things have been booked out for like months in advance, and then we were like, wow.
So this train that you're seeing here, which is from OBB, it's called the Railjet, and it is one of the most wonderful trains here, which goes from Vienna. And it's called Nightjet, and it has sleeper class in that, and the train journeys are as long as 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours as well. So yeah, as I was saying, we won't be taking this train in this tour because the tickets are all sold out until the next 3 months. Now that is because people here in Vienna in Easter, they go on holidays and they book it in advance for about like 3 or 4 months or so.
With the scenic view, let's eat something. I think I'm gonna get some hot chocolate and pasta. What about you?
I think some pasta would do for me as well. I'm really hungry. We didn't had breakfast since morning, so this is our first meal of the day.
Yeah.
And I'm really starving. And finally, my pasta is here.
Ma pasta?
Yes, my pasta. And I dare you snatch my pasta this time, alright? Give me my pasta back.
No.
Give me my pasta back.
No, it's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Alright, so we were talking about Railjet and Nightjet earlier, right? So the difference between both of the trains is very simple. The Railjet travels during the day, and the Nightjet is probably kind of a night train, as you can tell by its name. The Railjet is the train which we are traveling on right now, which is denoted by the number RJ and then the train number. So ours is RJ138. But the seats on this train are probably the seating trains. It has economy class, it has a first class, and then a business class as well, which we are sitting on. But the Nightjet trains has 3 compartments or areas, you can say, for the seating. Now it has a normal sitting area. Then the second is the couchette, which is for a family. It has like normal beds for a family, or people wanted to sleep. And then it has private cabins as well for around 3 to 6 people. In that you can get a private cabin of your own. But it is really very expensive, and it is very difficult to get a reservation on those trains as well. This time we won't be going in that train because I was planning a journey from Vienna to Paris, which is a 15 hours, which is the longest journey here in the Eurail. But that wouldn't be possible this time because I couldn't get a reservation on that. So probably the next time I have a Europe trip, I will try to book that in advance, and will show you guys how it is to travel in that train as well. But for today, yes, this will be it. We are traveling to Rome. Now from Rome we'll be catching our flight to Dubai. Yes, you got it right. We are going to Dubai and stay week probably. So let's see how it goes over there, but it's going to be amazing. We are not going to rest over there. It's going to be our normal routine of vlogging, so you will see many vlogs coming from Dubai as well this time. Now I have been to Dubai before, as you guys have seen, but it was kind of just a layover. Now this time it's going to be different, and we are going to show you a little bit, go on a desert safari most probably, then go out in the deserts all alone driving.
I think you should let them see that vlog.
Yeah, I mean, you will see how it is, so it's going to be amazing. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for those upcoming videos as well. I guarantee you it's going to be amazing, so stay tuned for it. And in the meantime, let's enjoy the views. So let me give you an overview of the train that we are in right now. So this is the restaurant that we are in. That's a big restaurant right there. So this is the first class cabin. That's the washroom. My god, just look at the washroom size there. So that's the information center if you guys want to have any newspapers. That's again our first class, and that's our cabin. So the seats of the business class are right there at the back, and ours is the corner seat over there. So this is a mix of first and then a small few seats of business class. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this train. And then on that side, next to the restaurant, is the economy cabin start. So there are 4 of the economy cabins, I guess, 1 of the restaurant, and the rest of the 2 are the first and the business class. It's about 8 o'clock now, and we have now reached Innsbruck. So that's one of the cities here in Austria, which is on the west side of Austria. And I think that will be the last main stop here in Austria, and after that we'll enter Italy from the north side and head towards our destination, which is Bolzano, which is, I think it's a small town on the north of Italy, and it's really very small. So from there we have to change the train to Rome.
And we've just arrived to our hotel. It is, I think, close to midnight, and we were super duper late, which is why we couldn't show you anything apart from the station.
But luckily we got a hotel.
Yeah, we did get...
This was a backup plan.
Yeah, so we will share the story shortly after we finish getting the keys, and let's head up to the room and share the story what's really...
But first you have to check in, right? Hello and good morning everyone to a new day. Now today is a very special day because we woke up for the breakfast for the first time ever. It's about 9 o'clock here right now, and we are just heading for our breakfast. We got all dressed up, finally woke up early in the morning for the first time in a while, in the last 2 months. So let's get that breakfast done, and then we'll head on to our next leg of the journey, which is from Bolzano to Rome via high-speed rail of Eurail. So let's show you how the breakfast is first. And that's our breakfast area right there, so let's go. And she got her breakfast.
Are you really shooting me?
My god, for the first time ever, isn't that...
I think this is the first breakfast I've had in forever. I usually wake up early and just have like a bread and coffee or tea, and that's it. But today I think I've had so many things to eat, and I'm so happy. I'm super happy.
We always get the breakfast included in our hotel, but we never wake up to do
because
it.
We end up editing and staying up late, so
we wake up late. I really enjoyed the room much. It was pretty spacious. They upgraded us to the Lux suite.
Yeah, I mean the view is phenomenal, so I can totally see why it's Lux, and it's pretty spacious. The best part about this was that this room costed us the same price as any other motel or hotel rooms, like 2-star, 1-star, and those places were horrible.
That's because you have a married discount.
Yes, and why do we have that? So you can get those discounts too if you were to sign up for Marriott's rewards program, and there is a 10% off on all your bookings.
But if you want a detailed video about how you can save and get these hotels for free,
Deal.
so let us know in the comments down and we'll make a separate video on that as well.
Yeah. And if you ever want to book a travel and you're really worried about visa, feel free to reach out to us on our email ID or on our socials, and we'll get back to you.
Alright, but let's get going now for our train to Rome.
I hope you're not late this time.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And here we are at the spa. So let's see how it is. So that's the spa right there. And it's raining right now. Oh my god. I wonder how we're gonna make it. Probably we'll have to take a cab. Oh my god, it's really kind of a weekend getaway place. Like, you know, if you want to chill out, have a peace out view and go to like not so crowded places. So this is a place to be at. Alright, so let's go down now. We have finally now reached the station for our next train. That's the Bolzano, and that's our high-speed rail right there, which will take us from Bolzano to Rome. That's a high-speed train. I think it will travel around 300 kilometers an hour, I guess. And that's the executive class that you're seeing right now, followed by the business class, followed by the bistro or the restaurant, and then followed by the premium class. And then obviously it has standard cabins as well. That's some other train. Alright, so we finally made it here. It was really a long journey up until Bolzano from Vienna, and I really love the mountains. You see the clouds are everywhere. My god, what a view. I'm really loving it. I welcome everyone to Rome. Finally, after a
Long, arduous journey, we are here. But
so that was our train. Oh my god, the train was nice, super comfy, no problems with that.
yeah, it was just a reservation.
Alright, so now let's head towards our hotel.
I think before that we need to head out.
So this train station is called Roma Termini, which is kind of like a terminal, and I think this is the main train station here, the central train station as you can say, and the people waiting at the arrival station.
And finally we would conclude our vlog here. We've made a long, arduous journey of more than 36 hours from Vienna, Austria to Bolzano, Italy, and finally to Rome Termini. Of course, we waited in a hotel at Bolzano because the halt with the next train was more than 13 hours and there was no seating area over there for us to even wait for the next train. But with that, we would end our vlog and wait for tomorrow. We have less than 24 hours before our next flight to our new destination. So we will try our best to cover a lot of spots, best spots in the city. Mostly Trevi Fountain early in the morning, hopefully. Let's see how the day goes.
And let's see what Rome has to offer in a day.
Yeah, but as we all know, Rome wasn't built in one day, so yeah. The better half is speaking because there is no way he has any words coming out. We are so overwhelmed with the journey, but thank you so much for watching us, and we will
See you guys in the next one.